The first thing you're going to want to do to get up and running with Doceri on your Windows computer is find the application. So you're going to want to go down here to the Start button and go ahead and go into the search box here, type in Doceri, D-O-C-E-R-I, and there it is. Go ahead and click on Doceri Desktop. The first time you open Doceri on your desktop, you'll be presented with this window. You need to create a password so that other teachers can't log into your computer. So create a password that you can remember. I'm going to create one called test for this demo and click OK. After you create your password, you'll be presented with the connection dashboard. Central on this window, you'll see the QR code, and we'll use that in a moment. Now we're going to switch over to your iPad. Now that you've set up your password for Doceri and you're looking at the QR code on your desktop, you're going to want to go back to your iPad and click on the Apple Store icon, and you're going to download the iPad Doceri app. So the Apple Store icon is the blue icon here in the top left. I'm going to click on that, and this brings up the App Store. In the top right here, I'm going to type in Doceri, which I've already done, D-O-C-E-R-I, and hit search, and you can see on the top left here we have the Doceri interactive whiteboard application, and you're going to want to install that. If this is your first time installing it, you're going to want to enter in your Apple ID password, and then that'll begin the download process. Now that the application is finished installing, go ahead and click Open here from the App Store. You can also open up the Doceri app on your iPad home screen. You can see it here in the bottom left. It looks like a hand with a pointing finger and a blue background. So I'm going to click on that now. And you'll be presented with two options. The first one, open from an iPad alone, the bottom, through a computer. I'm going to select through a computer. And they'll give you some instructions. Following these instructions, if you can close that, these instructions are mirroring what I'm saying now. You can close that. It's going to bring up a camera option, and my iPad is facing the dashboard, as you can see behind me on a laptop. That's that Doceri connection dashboard we talked about earlier. I'm going to see if I can move this just a little bit and see if it will capture that dashboard. Once you get that squared in the center of your screen and it's close enough, you will be able to connect to your Doceri desktop, and I just did that. Now I'll enter that password I created earlier. Alright, so there we are. We're now connected to Doceri desktop. You can see the laptop behind me. I'm now able to control that from my iPad. In future videos, we'll be showing some of the basic functionality, including annotation and other features, in addition to some advanced things.